it's Kelly Wolcott here. It is our last session for our age management case study with Christina. This week, I'm going to finish with her microcurrent, acoustic, and LED series. I'm also going to take her after pictures. We're super excited to see the progress. For the final case study session, I started with a deep cleansing massage, finished her microcurrent, acoustic, and LED series, and applied Institut Dermed's clarifying mask to areas of breakout, the brightening mask to the rest of her face to encourage further healing and evening of the skin tone. I applied corrective serums and moisturizer in preparation for the after pictures. The results of this case study show an overall improvement in her skin's condition, tone, texture, oxygenation, and firmness. Going forward, I recommend a monthly maintenance facial and continuation of her home care protocols to ensure the results we've realized continue. Hi Skin Games, Kelly Wolcott here with my model Christina.
Hi.
We just finished her eighth session, and this is her after. She's looking amazing. Christina, how was the 8 weeks for you?
It was great. I've never had 8 weeks of attention to my skin before, so I felt very taken care of and pampered. Thank you very much, Kelly.
You're welcome. You're welcome. How was your home care regimen? Was it easy to do, difficult? Is it a habit for you now? Something you'll continue?
It is, absolutely. Yeah, I definitely think it's something that I'd like to continue because I can see the results and I'm very pleased with them.
Good, good. I'm excited about your afters. So thanks, Skin Games, and that's a wrap.
Thank you.